TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. This is Tommy O'Brien coming to you live from TFNN headquarters, Clearwater, Florida. It's 1 o'clock p.m., 3 hours till that closing bell, and let's check out what we have happening on markets as we are pretty much higher. Dow 30 up 16 points, a far cry from being down in the futures 100 points pre-market. Dow right now up 16 points, trading at 21,824. You're looking at a NASDAQ positive 0.2%, up 14 points, trading at 62.97, and S&P's flat at 24.43, a far cry from where we were pre-market, that's for sure. Checking out the VIX volatility premium in this market. As we march higher, the VIX marches lower. Overnight, we reached 1434 with some fear in the market, risk off. You had North Korea last night, our time, launching some ballistic missiles. Some of them, one of them, either way, going over Japan. So that sent a little bit of fear in the market. You had the president releasing a statement saying all options are on the table. But as the market opened, we marched higher and the VIX marched lower. Let's jump over to that Nadex platform, see what we have happening in some of those markets. And jump over there. Come on. Let's pull it up. There we go. So here's our gold contract as well. This is 6 o'clock last night as the news of the geopolitical risk broke. Gold traded higher, 1330, and as the markets have kind of bounced back from that, we've seen gold retreat from those highs. Gold currently 1319, still a decent price at level action for gold. Here's our NASDAQ 100 right now. There's the market last night as it tanked, and you can see we're actually over those levels that we were at last night, 58.58 currently. That was the S&P 500. That's not cooperating with us, but let's take a look at crude oil. Of course, Harvey still in the Gulf affecting Texas. You have refineries closing. You might have crude oil building up in crude, $46. We have API after the close tonight, and we have EIA tomorrow at 10:30 Eastern time. We'll be back on the air, see where oil shakes out. Other news we have, fundamentally, Best Buy coming out with their earnings last night. Man, Best Buy came in with 69 cents versus 63, 8.9 billion in revenue versus 8.6. They grew same-store sales at 5.4% versus 2.2, but the CEO came out and said, you better not expect this to continue. Our margins may suffer. We're in the business of competing with Amazon, and the market took that and they ran with it. And Finish Line, they are hurting as well in retail. 70% of what they sell is Nike. Nike hurting as well. Stay tuned. Steve Rhodes coming up right now. We'll see you next hour. Thanks, folks.